So myself, Dr. B. Alagusundari from Department of Computer Applications. So today I am going to give a small introduction about machine learning. So before entering into machine learning concept, we must know what is AI and deep learning and data science. So AI is a broader goal of autonomous machine intelligence, and machine learning as a specific scientific method currently for building the AI applications. So all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. So next one is big data. So big data is consist of 3 V's: volume, velocity and variety of data. So volume means high volume of data stored. For example, Facebook data, Twitter data. Velocity of data means high speed of data and demand quicker learning used in many algorithms. Next is variety of data, different data structures. Not only the text string, also we can audio files, video files, etc. So these are the example for big data: Facebook data, Google data, Amazon. So earlier days we are using kilobytes of data. Nowadays we are using terabytes of data. In future we can use huge volume of data. So coming to machine learning. So machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. It gives devices the ability to learn from their experience and improve their self without doing any program. So earlier days we are concentrating only for program writing, but nowadays normal traditional program we can feed the data as an input and program, then the traditional programs gives the output. But whereas machine learning, we can feed the data as an input as well as output prediction, we will get an program. So that is the difference between ordinary traditional program and machine learning. So why machine learning? Why we are moving from machine learning? Machine learning is important because it gives enterprises a view of trends in customer behavior and business operation patterns, as well as support the development of new products. So many companies is moving from machine learning algorithms. For example, Facebook, Google, Uber make the machine learning as a central part of their operations. So the process of ML is comprising the following phases: data collection. So you can feed the all records as an data, then data exploration and profiling, then formatting the data to make it consistent, improving the data quality and performing the future engineering process. Last one, splitting the data into training as well as evaluation state. So these are the important phases of machine learning. So what are the important mathematical topics involved in mathematics in machine learning? So 35% of linear algebra and 25% of probability theorem and statistics, 15% of calculus, again 15% of algorithms, and others for only 10%. So mathematical linear algebra play a vital role in machine learning algorithms. So the types of machine learning. So the types of machine learning comprises of 10 different types. Machine learning types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, then active learning, self-supervised learning, and then online learning, etc. So supervised learning as well as unsupervised learning. This is a major types for machine learning. In supervised learning, the input data as well as we can predict the model, the given item is apple or not. Whereas in unsupervised learning, we can cluster the input data as apple and then banana. So supervised learning means model trained on the labeled data. Unsupervised learning means we can unlabeled data sets. Reinforcement learning to take the suitable action for the highest rewards. We can give the priorities. Active learning is for active labeled to achieve the high performances. online learning is depending upon the real-time stream of data. So types of learnings, the classification and recursions comes under the supervised learning. Dimension reduction and clustering comes under unsupervised learning. So in reinforcement learning, we can forming the gaming, inventory control, robot navigation, etc. So this is a difference between supervised learning as well as unsupervised learning. We can predict the animals. Here we can we can clustering the animals. That is supervised learning mainly focusing on classification, whereas unsupervised learning mainly focusing on clustering the input data. Machine learning examples from the day-to-day life. So different applications for machine learning is starting from medical diagnosis, stock market, online fault detection, self-driving cars, speech recognition, image recognition, etc. Almost AI play a vital role in our day-to-day life. So in medical diagnosis, the machine learning services is providing for dealing with these issues with the high-end solutions. Just analyze the condition of the patient, give the accurate information related to the diseases, analyzing the all clinical parameters. So ML is playing a vital role in COVID patient. We can predict the different medical diagnosis easily. Next one is image recognition. So in social media platform uses to identify the peoples through the face detection. So the government are using this app to identify and find out the culprits. Airports are used to verify the passengers' authority and reliability. So image recognition is an important role for finding the face detection services. Next one is traffic prediction. So in ML, analyzing the traffic through the several servers and builds the map accordingly. These apps saves the customers as well as smoothing their journeys. So check the traffic updates, find out the shortcut routes between the source and destination, and can trust in the navigation process as well as calculate the time of arrivals. The Google Map is an important part of our life today. So virtual process assistants, Alexa, Siri, Google Now, Coranta are very useful devices for making the phone calls for blind peoples. So the product recommendation, so machine learning is widely used for various e-com applications, Amazon products, Netflix, etc. for product recommendation for the users. So the Google understands the user interest using their various machine learning algorithms and suggests the product as per the customer interest. As similar to the Netflix, we can find some of the recommendation for entertainment, series, movies, etc. So self-driving car. So self-driving car, one of the most exciting application for ML. It is a significant role in self-driving cars. So Tesla, the most popular car manufacturing company, is working under the self-driving car. So next one is sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is a top-notch machine learning algorithms that refers the sentiment classification, opinion mining, as well as analyzing the emotions. So in Twitter, we can find the positive as well as the negative thoughts from the customers. We can use some emotion thoughts or maybe some sentences. We can classify it and find out the positive as well as the negative comments about the particular product or maybe a person. Next one is this is a sentiment analysis. We can use the product as cool product or maybe an excellent product by using some emotional pictures display. So online machine learning is nowadays very popular for predicting the new products. So the data is being generated in huge quantities wherever the Twitter generates 12 plus TB of data every day. Facebook generates 25 plus TB of data every day. Google generates much more than these quantities every day. So given that such data is being produced every day, we need to build a tool to handle the data as well as with the high volumes, velocity as well as variety of data. So this is mostly depending on the time series data. So we can change as well as updating the results by second by second. So I am concluding the machine learning topic. Machine learning can be competitive advantages to any companies being the top MNCs or startups. So with the introduction of such projects such as self-driving cars, then for humanoid robots, we have already started the glimpse of what the future can be. The machine learning evolution will stay with us for the long, and so the future of the machine learning. Thank you.